Hi everyone, I'm Jerry, and I was just sent this really nice wet vac from DREAME. This thing actually is a really nice design. Everything comes with the kit, including the 2 bottles of solution that they provide you to put in here. I'm going to kind of briefly go over kind of how this works, and then we're actually going to do a couple of demos real quick. This is actually a relatively light wet dry vac. You do have the new style design like Tenneco does as well, where you have this here on the bottom that you can lift off. This is your fresh water. They've separated the fresh water from the dirty water tank. That way there's no cross contamination. And you can flip this over and see that on the bottom of this one they actually have the fill piece here that you can undo. And then with the provided solution, you're just going to simply add about 10 mil of this to a full tank, and they provide you again a couple of these, so that gives you plenty of cleaning that you can do for quite a while. That's all you got to do, and then you're ready to go. So once that is installed, I'm going to show you the brush here. Really nice brush roller, and they do have the ability with a cross cut on this to actually cut pet hair. So you're not going to get a lot of pet hair like tangled up if you've got pet hair around the house. A lot of the older style units got pet hair tangled up in there. You're constantly having to pull it off the brush. This prevents that. On the back side of this, when you get the dirty water, you actually have this filtration piece here, keeps it all separate. Pull up to disengage, pull out. It's going to have your solids in there and your liquids in here. Easily can dispose of both of those, all built in together with the filter built in as well. So that's nice that they provide you with all of that. Loving the fact that it's all seamless, really simple to use. This also comes with a nice charging base. Now these are drying bases, so this will actually use, when we go to clean this, is going to clean with about 204 degree dry air after it cleans it. So it's going to thoroughly dry this brush. It's going to help prevent any odors and things like that. That's a really nice charging base to have. Let's go ahead and get this thing set up so I can kind of show you a couple of the nice features I like about this. One of them, turning it on. You have a nice display up here. It's going to show you the battery life. You've got smart mode. You have turbo mode that's going to go maximum water and maximum suction. Suction mode, again, just does not put out any water at all, just dry suction. So if you spill liquid, you can suck that up. And you have a really quiet mode, so it makes it relatively quiet. We're going to go ahead and put it on auto. And I'm going to come down here. My kids come in with dirt all over their cleats from sporting events. We're going to run it right over there. Suctions that up. Does a real nice job getting me that off of here. I've gone ahead and spilled some flour here on the floor. We're going to run that through here. And that gets that all real nice and good off of there as well. So not having a lot of trouble sucking up the flour. See if I can find some pet hair around here somewhere. Now, one of the other nice features this has is this little ball right here on the back. This allows this thing to set down completely 180 degrees. So you can actually drop it all the way down. It's only about 3.8 inches off the ground. So if you're going to be going up underneath stuff, you can easily get underneath a lot of things that you can't normally get. If you're going underneath beds, underneath sofas, whatever the case happens to be, that's a really nice feature. It has the ability to do that. So all in all, this is laying down a really nice fine layer of liquid on the floor and drying it up immediately. I mean, it's already drying it up. I'm going to power it off. Powers off, stands up on its own. That's really nice as well. Then whenever you're done with your cleaning, this has a 60-minute run time, so it's actually going to allow you to run multiple rooms of your home, actually cover quite a bit of space, which is nice with that longer run time. Then you're just going to put it in here. It's starting to charge. On the top, there's a self-cleaning button.
Start self-cleaning. Rapid mode.
Start self-cleaning rapid mode. So it's going to go through the self-cleaning process. You do have the ability to do not only a rapid mode, which is going to clean and then dry for 5 minutes, but you also can set it up to dry for 30 minutes if you're wanting it to dry longer. That's a really nice feature to have as well. I will say we own the Tenneco. This is a lot quieter as far as the drying process goes. So if that is an issue for you and you're wanting it to be a little quieter, this is certainly a nice option, and it tends to work really well. Edge-to-edge cleaning. Really nice wet mop vac.